Hi guys, today I will discuss about the organometallic compound and their what do you mean by organometallic compound and the definition of a organometallic compound and examples of the organometallic compounds. First we have to study the what do you mean by organometallic compound. Name only indicates that name only indicates that the organometallic compound containing the organic residue and metallic residue. Organometallic. Organic compound and metallic compound. They combine to form a organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. It is a organic residue that containing the metallic active metal cluster is also called as the organometallic compound. These organometallic compound are synthetic organic compounds containing the reactive metals are very useful as a synthetic reagents. Andra organic compound organometallic compound andrena these are the organic compound containing the active metal sites. For example, Grignard reagent. What do you mean by Grignard reagent? Means which is containing the organic compound. And then organic compound which is indicated by the R group. Then magnesium group. Then halogen. This one is the organic compound containing the active metal residue. This active metal residue which you what is the active metal in which in this one which one is the active metal? Magnesium is a active metal. In the organic compound containing the active metal residue to form a organometallic compound. Organometallic compound. These are used in the many synthetic applications like synthesis of the alcohol, synthesis of the aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids and amines. Some of the examples of the organometallic compounds are the Grignard reagent, organolithium compound, then organozinc compound. Grignard reagent meant halo magnesium this is also called as a Grignard reagent in common name organo magnesium halide. Magnesium halide. In this one this organic compound containing the active metal residue to form a organometallic compound. Hence the Grignard reagent is one of the organometallic compound. In this one symbolically shown as a RMGX. R is a indication of the organic group and magnesium is a active metal residue. And then Cl1 is it is called as a halogen. This RMgCl whatever it may be, halogen is indicated by the X group. X means what? Halogens. There may be chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, whatever it may be. These are halogen groups are present in the Grignard reagent. These are called as organomagnesium halides. These organomagnesium halides are these are the organometallic compound synthesized by the one of the scientists Grignard. Hence these organomagnesium halides are called as a Grignard reagents, which are like this one organolithium. Organic group are indicated by the shown by the R group. Then lithium is one of the active metal. Then organic group and lithium ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲೀಥಿಯಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಟಲ್. ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ದಿ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಐ is Li means what? Lithium. These are combined together to form a organometallic compound. Got it? Then organozinc compound. Zinc is this is also active metal. Totally, the organometallic compound means what? Organic compound containing the active metal residue. This is RZN. R is a organic compound containing the, here the active metal is a zinc. Zinc is a active metal. This is present in the which group? Organic group. Zinc is present as a active metal in the organic group. Hence the organozinc is one of the organometallic compound. So these are the some of the example of the organometallic compound. Grignard reagent, organolithium and organozinc compounds are the example of the organometallic compounds. What are the application of the organometallic compound we have to study? First, above organic metallic compounds are used in many synthetic applications. Many synthetic applications means what? They are synthesis which are used in the many synthesis, like a synthesis of the aldehyde, ketone, then carboxylic acid and amines. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನೋಮೆಟ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಅವುಗಳಿಂದ ಮೆನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವುಗಳ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡನ್ನು ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್, ಅಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನು, C double bond H. C double bond H is one of the functional group in the aldehyde group. This aldehyde group is converted into alcoholic group. Aldehyde group is converted into the alcoholic group. Alcohol is one of the function group in the OH is one of the function group in the alcohol. First we have to study what are the functional group in the respective organic compounds. Respective in the aldehydes, C double bond H is a function group. In ketone, C double bond O is a function group. In the carboxylic acid, COOH is a function group. Then amines, NH2 is a function group. Here these organometallic compounds are used in the conversion of the functional group. For example, aldehyde is one of the function group. This is converted into the another function group. What is another function group? That is alcohol. ಅಂದ್ರೇನು aldehyde ಅನ್ನು alcohol ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಆರ್ಗನೋಮೆಟ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ದ active metal sites. They are used in the synthetic applications and transformation of the one function group to the another function group. For example, aldehyde to the alcohols. Some example of the organometallic compounds are the Grignard reagent, organolithium, organozinc compounds. Got it? Then we have to study the in detail about the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent are the generally organometallic halides. Grignard reagent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, Grignard reagent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎದರಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ದಾಗ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೇನ ಅದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನೋಮೆಟ್ಲಿಕ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೇಷಿಯಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನೋಮೆಟಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಲೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಹಲೋಜನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಎದರಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. Any other organic group. Mg is a magnesium. Mg is a magnesium. X means what? Halogen. Any halogen. Chlorine. There may be chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine. Whatever it may be. This Grignard reagent what means what? Organometallic halide. Organometallic halide. Then these organometallic halides are called as a Grignard reagents because of this Grignard reagent organometallic halide first synthesized by the one of the scientists named Grignard. Hence this is called as a Grignard reagent. How they are synthesized? We have to study in this. Grignard reagents are generally obtained by the introducing the magnesium metal in between carbon and halogen bond of the organic halide. Magnesium metal. Mg is a magnesium metal. This magnesium metal is introduced between the carbon and halogen bond. And the magnesium is an active metal site in the Grignard reagent or organometal halogen. This Mg is introduced between the carbon and halogen bond. When the magnesium is introduced between the carbon and halogen bond in presence of the ether, we obtain the organomagnesium halide. Nothing but a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Organomagnesium halide. Some example of the Grignard reagents are, this one is a ethyl chloride. Here they take the R in place of the R, ethane. Ethyl chloride. When we introduce the magnesium metal in between the carbon and chlorine bond in presence of the ether, we obtain the ethyl magnesium halide. Ethyl magnesium halide. Ethyl magnesium halide. R is a ethane group. Halogen is a chlorine. Active metal site is a magnesium. Magnesium is introduced between the carbon and chlorine in presence of the ether. We obtain the ethyl magnesium chloride. This one is one of the example of the Grignard reagent. In the benzyl chloride, chloro or chlorobenzene. In the chlorobenzene, here this one is a R group is a benzene. Chlorobenzene. Here the R group is a benzene ring. R is a benzene. Halogen, what is the halogen? Halogen is chlorine. This magnesium is introduced between the benzene ring and chlorine. We obtain the benzyl magnesium chloride. Benzyl magnesium chloride. As a Grignard reagent. This reactions takes place in the ether, in presence of the ether as a solvent. Got it? Here in today's class we discussed about the what you mean by organometallic compound. Organometallic compounds are the combination of the combination of the organic group and metallic group. Or in the organic compound, the metallic residue is present. This one is called as a organometallic compounds. Example of the organometallic compounds are the Grignard reagent, organolithium and organozinc compound. They are used in the many synthetic applications. They are synthesized in the many organic compound, and they are also used in the transformation of the one function group to the another function group. Then we studied about the what do you mean by Grignard reagent, how they are obtained, how they are synthesized, and the example of the Grignard reagent. In the next class, we have to study about the synthetic application of the Grignard reagent. Thank you.